Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tahita with Beauty and the Kinks. This video is a updated length check video. I know the last time I straightened my hair and showed you guys my length, you all were like, what? You didn't even show us? So I had to redo it and show you guys how long my hair has grown. Of course, I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair and of course using some heat protectant to kind of help my hair with the heat that I'm about to apply. So I do kind of go through the sections and just spray the heat protectant kind of all over. Not too much though, because I don't want my hair to start reverting. And then of course I go in with a wide tooth comb and I just make sure that there are no tangles before I start straightening. I also use my Denman brush a lot just because I don't have a fine tooth comb, so the Denman brush basically just keeps my hair straight and detangled as I'm going through the sections and straightening. I won't spend too much time showing you guys exactly what I do because I literally have 2 videos showing you how I straighten my hair. And on top of that, it's literally the same thing over and over again. So I'm gonna fast forward into the last section and you just repeat the process. Add heat protectant and detangle and straighten. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the length of my hair. I am past mid-back length. I did trim my hair, I think, after I did this length check. So I'm about maybe half an inch shorter, but I just wanted to show you guys how long my hair grew. It is still growing. I just have to take better care of it. I really did fall off, but luckily my hair has maintained and I'm still retaining length and it's still growing. So yeah. And that was pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking out my length check. I do appreciate all your love and support. If you are not, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, be a part of my Beauty and the Kinks family. Definitely check me out at beautyandthekinks.com. You can also link with me on my social media platforms. I will have that down below in the description box, and you should have seen it on screen as well. So yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. Again, thank you for all your love and support. Until next video, bye guys.